Disable pre-installed MIUI ColorOS apps review. Full safe guide without root. Want to disable pre-installed MIUI or ColorOS apps with no root required? I tested the safest methods in 2025, and here's how you can remove the bloat fast. So, phones from Xiaomi and Oppo often ship with extra apps, themes, cleaners, browser, or trial software, and this can't be uninstalled normally, but you can safely disable them without root. So, first go ahead and open settings on your device and then head over to apps and then go ahead and select the app. So, click on the four stop button to disable it, and this removes the app from your launcher and stops it from running in the background. Now, second method you can do is to go ahead and use a hidden app management. So MIUI and ColorOS include hidden app management. So in settings, apps, app management, click on uninstall updates or disable, and you can block system apps like theme or music without root. And lastly is to use a safe third-party tool. So apps like Universal Android Bloatware Mobile now run directly on your phone. No PC needed. Install, grant permissions, and select the bloatware you want to disable. Stick to safe apps like Cleaner, Browser, or Themes. So don't disable core apps like settings, phone, or system UI. Removing those can break your device. So focus only on extras like cleaner, browser, or trial applications. Now you know how to disable pre-installed MIUI and ColorOS apps without root. Did you clean up your phone? Drop your experience in the comments.